2013 Chrysler Town & Country at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This Chrysler is well equipped with a V6 engine, push-button start, 0 accidents, a backup camera, rear parking sensors, third-row seats, leather seats, power and heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, navigation, tri-zone auto climate with rear controls, power sliding doors, a power liftgate, a drop video screen, under 123,000 miles. It's under $12,000. Visit hollidaysburgautoplaza.com or call 814-257-5338.